Audio controls, steering wheel. In addition to audio controls on the center console and on the multimedia display, there are controls on both sides of the steering wheel. On the left side is a mode button, up and down arrow buttons, and plus and minus buttons. If the audio system is off, pressing the mode button will turn it on. The power can also be turned on and off by pushing the power volume button on the center console. Audio information will be displayed in the center of the multi-information display, or MID, and briefly displayed on the top of the display. On the left side of the steering wheel, pressing the mode button repeatedly will cycle you through the available audio sources. Some sources may require use of your phone's data plan. The up and down arrows will cycle you through station presets or tracks. Press and hold them to fast forward or rewind. Or to seek the next station. Pressing the plus button will increase the audio volume, and minus will decrease the audio volume. A volume indicator will appear on the display and in the center of the MID. If you're on an FM or AM station, holding the mode button will mute the audio. Pressing and holding the mode button will pause the station or track. Press and hold it again to resume playback. On the right side of the steering wheel are the up, down, left, and right arrows, and a center selection button. To use these controls, you must use the left and right arrows to cycle through the MID categories and select the audio icon. Using the center button on the steering wheel gives you access to the audio sources list. Selecting one of these options gives you access to the available presets. Select the button again to choose the desired preset. The up and down arrows will cycle through the audio sources. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.